We're all sick, Sebastian. We all wish the world followed a certain pattern and that everything turned out as we expected. We all want to be happy. We want change to only happen to the things we don't like while everything else remains constant. Can you imagine how many people are praying for this damn rain that's destroying our city to finally stop? We want many things. But we also realize it doesn't work that way. And we go on. I go on, you don't, you suffer. Because of no money. Because your wife can't stand you anymore and she left with someone else. Because certain things didn't turn out the way you wish they did. You even suffer because you don't know what day it is. What day is today, Sebastian? No, you don't know. And that's a step forward because it doesn't matter. It's rain. It's not day or night. It doesn't matter what time it is or day of the week or if it's a weekend. It's rain. The world's doesn't work this way, Sebastian. But it does now. And you're still alive. Nothing has happened. Write that in your notebook. The world changes.